Yes.
A decide, announce, defend strategy, meaning that they saw radioactive waste management as a technical problem.
Thank you. And you mentioned the young people.
We are running discussions on the internet and so on and so on. So it's a very broad program right now.
Early might mean different things in different political contexts.
First question, why they did this? I suppose it goes back to the political culture.
For example, by keeping science programs.
Do you agree with the following statements or not?
2050, we're going to run out of space at the current location.
I don't think that we're going to get that expansion of the amount of waste here because of finances.
Yeah, you have to share things first before you decide.
Yeah.